Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Scott's Adventures. Just doing a little quick video of the snow, the blizzard of 2022. Looks like we have about maybe an inch and a half on the ground right now, maybe 2 at most. This video is being recorded in Smithtown, Long Island, Suffolk County. And you can see the snow's coming down pretty good right now. And of course you hear my my wind chimes in the background there. But like I said, I just want to do a really quick video. I hope to do some videos tomorrow morning and afternoon. But this is the beginnings of the storm. Everyone stay safe. See you in the next video.